barking, dog moving.
Ooh, fancy. That's how we do it around here.
Work with the tools, yeah.
Okay. What do we need? Like the whisper beatbox? Tight. Not very good at talking on the camera. It's weird. It's awkward. I don't like it. But if I don't, you guys don't got this idiot to listen to, so I guess I gotta do things I don't like doing. But that being said, we're back out in the shop again today. See if we can get some lights in this thing. I'd like to drive it today. I might have to run and get some speed connectors. I'm full of tunes today. Singing out loud like a buffoon. I'll make these ones work for now. They're not spades, but they'll slide in like one. Do some testing so I know which ones to hook up where. Gotta test these lights so I know which circuit does what, so I can hook them up right. Don't do any good if they're not working right. Right. God, I'm weird. You guys already knew that. Where's your grandpa? Who's grandpa supposed to come? You like his grandpa? Borrow this little battery right here. Hopefully this is catching what we're doing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you caught me talking to myself like an idiot. Green is positive. White is negative. High beam, low beam, signal, halo. Let's go with running lights. So green is turned, red is running. Okay, this should give us most of our information that we need to wire these correctly now. Okay. Let's figure out which of these is which. The Grant's here. Camera's been set up listening to me talk to myself like an idiot. Should be for some pretty funny.
Have you been talking to yourself this morning?
I'm here talking to myself, not talking to the camera, but I look like a crazy person nonetheless.
Well, that's alright. You can be crazy if you want.
Okay, now we gotta run through some lights here.
Maybe we'll load up that tractor right quick. Get ready to get it out of your way, huh?
Okay.
You don't have anything else to do with it, do you?
I think we're done with it for now. Move you guys over here.
What's that?
No, I was just talking to myself again.
You are? Did you answer?
Yep. I'm crazy, dude. Right, now I can listen to me jabber to myself while I'm doing this. What am I going to talk about? I'll let you guys know what's going on, because I kind of just film and don't really explain myself very often, so I'm kind of in a talkative mood this morning. Oddly, I usually am not. I'm not a very talkative individual. But I feel like talking this morning. Maybe it'll make good content. Maybe it'll just make me look like a crazy person that talks to himself while he's working on his car. Yeah, good luck hearing me with the tractor running out there. I suspect that the black one here is going to be our ground, which I'm probably not going to want to use that ground. I want to use ground at least because there's only one line that we like. But put her on the squawk mode. Cool. Okay, black is ground. Let's see which one of those is talking to us. Alright, put that one on the ground. What the frick is this thing doing to me? Okay, that works. Okay, brown is our running light. And blue is going to be our flasher here. Yep. Fluctuation. So blue is the flash. Why is that not switching? Alright, let's try something else. So let's cut this one open. Maybe not. Man. They used some good tape on this shit. Good Lord, they did not want this to come untaped. Sheesh. Where's my cutting device? I'm done with that shit. There's a cutting device right there. Scabby one, but it'll cut nonetheless. I think it'd be funny if all of a sudden this was the video that took off on my channel. People just like watching me talk to myself like a crazy person. I know I'm weird. You know I'm weird. Weird recognizes weird. What's weird is how tough this tape is to get off. Holy Moses. Cut the tape without cutting the wire, so we don't got problems, man. Come on. Love me. Oh, yeah. Holy crap. That is the most real deal tape I've ever experienced in my life. Come on. 2003 Blazer tape is no joke. Alright, we're getting somewhere, maybe. Yo! That is weird. Purple's ground. Okay, that's weird.
Did you pick up some rear lights yet?
Yeah.
Alright. You weld that hitch on today?
I don't know about the hitch, but we might get some zip tie action.
Zip tie action, yeah.
Do me a favor.
Yeah.
Turn the headlights on for me.
Your run lights are already on.
I need headlights on. Headlights are on.
I think so.
Okay, what about the high beams? What in the effing hell is going on here? Okay, turn the high beams back off.
On?
Off.
Oh, they are. I just
Okay,
pulled
switch them.
You got tail lights.
No high beams. Well, guess we're gonna shoot the dark on this one. Oh, we'll have at least beams. I don't know if they'll be high or low, but we'll have beams. What's confusing me, that is fucking weird. Oh, go hit the high beams again.
Anything?
No, I got positive on both of those. Both of those are ground, apparently. So, oh, wait a minute. I'm testing the wrong one. I'm stupid. Okay, high beams.
I mean?
Again. Nope, I got positive on both of those. That's fucking weird. Yeah, we got some fuckery going on. Anyway. Okay, that makes more sense though. I was testing the wrong long circuit. Well, that only took 8 times longer than it should have. The way Chevy does the headlights in that, they're negative excite. In other words, they have 12 volt to the bulb directly through the fuse block, and then they switch the ground off and on basically, so you're grounding it to turn them on. These lights only have one ground and 2 positive terminals, your high and your low beam, so I had to run a relay to switch it to make these work. So it seems pretty simple putting in a couple of headlights, but had to do a little wiring to make them work right. So that took way longer than I was expecting it to, but it turned out good. They look cool. this video. I hope you stick around for the next. Feel free to subscribe. Also, check out some of my other videos right here. And we'll see you on the next one.